I left SVU in a blaze of glory. I was put into witness protection. They did not kill me, which I thought was nice. And I thought, well, maybe we can put her in the stable and pull her out some other time. And so they did.
Tell Peluso I want to see him right away, and call Connolly and reschedule that dinner for early next week. Also, I need to get the stats on...
Excuse me. You the big bad boss of the joint?
I'm Alexandra Cabot, the bureau chief.
It's kind of the best of both worlds. I get to play a character that I really enjoy. And in this show, it is about what happens to a group of people who are supposedly intelligent and aggressive and working very hard for very little money in a very important job.
If you're in possession of exculpatory evidence, you have an ethical duty to notify the defense. Other than that...
Are you saying I don't need to disclose this?
I'm saying I'm not about to let a man who confessed to raping and torturing a young woman walk over a damn fingernail.
I don't know that she's a changed person so much as that this is an opportunity to really talk more about her backstory. And as a result of all of her experience, she's kind of in charge of the department. And that's exciting. It's exciting to play a female boss that is the same age as all of her employees and the dynamics, the sexual and political dynamics therein.
Why the drop in drug-related indictments?
Fewer drug-related arrests.
Are you counting charges or defendants?
If you want to embellish the numbers to impress the big guys on the 8th floor...
You are such a bureaucrat.
Is that why we broke up?
We never dated.
Oh, that's right. We were just...
Something like that, yeah.
It's wonderful because I have the advantages of having a pretty good idea of who this person is and being fairly comfortable in her skin. But there is a whole world of possibility available. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure story. You know, you thought you knew the plot, and then suddenly you're over here. Who knows?
Yeah, is there a problem here?
I don't appreciate being told how to run a case.
It's my bureau, Jim.
You know what? I know that you and Robert are having problems right now.
This has nothing to do with that. Do you understand? Don't you walk away from me.
It's all very up in the air. Anything could happen, which is fun.